What's up, you guys? So I've noticed when I go to SQ shows, when I look at the playlist, there's never any heavy hip hop on a SQ playlist, and that is because as a kid riding around in his go kart, pretty cool. Um, that's because hip hop tends to be really bass heavy, of course, but it also pulls your bass to the back of the vehicle. In sound quality, when you're trying to make everything time aligned and cohesive, you want your sub, even the sub way in the back, all the way on the dash. Same with your mid bass in the doors or in the kick panels. You want it on the dash with your mid range, your tweeters. Everything has to be cohesive on the dash. With hip hop, not necessarily so much, but can it be done? I say yes, because I found a track. It's old school for people in my age bracket, us 49, 50-year-olds, us 70s babies. Check this one out, y'all. Let me know what you think. And please wear headphones. I know I say it all the time, but just as a reminder, wear headphones. That way you can get the best, closest idea possible, because I use my external recorder to give better sound, because if I use my phone, it'll sound like a tin can. But with the external recorder, you get a better idea of what my system sounds like. Let's try it.
Zone out. 1, 2. Yo. This goes out to all coasts. East Coast. West Coast. And all across the nation. Worldwide. Know what I mean? Relax. Kick your feet up. Spark one. Let me show you how it's done. Low, baby.
Sunrise starts the day. Don't sweat it. Simple things.
So simple.
Take your time. Do your thing.
As grains of sand pass from hand to hand. I watch time stand still, I'm just one man. That's out for all, so all should be for one. Grew up on the drum with the JP. The son spun the record that his pops collected. Went on to create and perfect the unexpected. Funky beat sound, watch the family slide with the right and give cousin a pound. Watch the young ones play and think back in the day when fresh was the style plus the word to say. It's all love now. Let me show you how. Take time out and show you what life's about.
Take your time on the line, just imagine your time. Take your time on the line, just imagine your time. Take your time on the line, just imagine your time. Just imagine your time. Feel the flow and let it go. Unwind, relax your mind. Stay a while, take your time. Let you find your peace of mind.
With a douse of soul, I'm back in control. My goal sees the world pass from young to old. Unfold a new tale, see yourself on scale. 2000 year, my black people prevail. Yo, straight up and down, I got love for this, son. 9 years in the mix, and if time permits, I'll continue to make my melody for the tapes. And walk the fine line between love and hate. For real.
Take your time on the line, just imagine your time. Take your time on the line, just imagine your time. Take your time on the line, just imagine your time.
Fucking 9 son.
Just imagine your time. Take your time on the line, just imagine your time. Take your time on the line, just imagine your time. Take your time on the line, just imagine your time.
Word.
Take your time, take your time on the line. Take your time, take your time on the line. Take your time, take your time on the line. Take your time.
Yeah, man. So I hope y'all remember that classic, man. I think he said 1998. That song was dope back then, still dope as hell to me now. Real smooth, Pete Rock. Take Your Time with the group Ruffins doing the chorus, I believe. Yeah, man, old school classic right there. Hope you guys appreciate it as much as I do. Yes, an SQ car, an SQL car can do hip hop. This is smooth hip hop. It can get loud. It can get loud if I turned it up, but if you saw, I pointed out that my bass knob is all the way down. It's in SQ mode right now. So yeah, man, it sounds good to me. Hope it sounds good to y'all. And until next time, please stay tuned.